The bald eagle is a powerful symbol of strength, freedom, and resilience. Its striking white head and piercing gaze captivate millions. The bald eagle's story is a testament to conservation and the interconnectedness of all living things. The bald eagle's population faced a devastating decline due to habitat loss, hunting, and DDT. Conservation efforts and the DDT ban led to its remarkable comeback. We'll explore the bald eagle's physical characteristics and hunting prowess. Witness the tender moments between parent eagles and their young. Discover the bald eagle's cultural significance and its role as a national emblem. The bald eagle reigns supreme over North America's skies. Its wingspan and presence command attention and inspire awe. The bald eagle embodies wildness and freedom, thriving in diverse habitats. The bald eagle's snow-white head contrasts with its dark brown body. Its sharp beak and piercing yellow eyes reflect power and intelligence. The bald eagle is a masterpiece of natural selection. The bald eagle's flight is a sight to behold. It can soar effortlessly and dive at incredible speeds. Its aerial prowess is a testament to nature's design. The bald eagle's eyesight is extraordinary. It can spot prey from incredible distances. Its vision is a marvel of evolutionary engineering. The bald eagle is surprisingly silent when hunting. Its stealth and patience give it a crucial advantage. The bald eagle's hunting strategy is a testament to its intelligence. The bald eagle's vision is its most formidable weapon. Its eyes can perceive detail with supernatural clarity. This extraordinary vision is essential for its survival. The bald eagle's hunting strategy is a masterpiece of precision. From its elevated perch, it scans vast areas for prey. The bald eagle is the ultimate predator from its sky-high vantage point. When a target is identified, the bald eagle transforms into a lightning-fast predator. It plunges towards the earth with deadly accuracy. The plunge is a moment of raw power and instinct. Section 4. Talons of Steel. The bald eagle's talons are formidable weapons, perfectly designed for capturing and dispatching prey. Each foot is equipped with 4 razor-sharp talons, curved and pointed like grappling hooks, capable of exerting hundreds of pounds of pressure per square inch. Once these talons sink into their target, escape is virtually impossible. The talons are not merely tools for grasping, they are also instruments of death. The eagle's grip, powerful enough to crush bone, can instantly incapacitate its prey, preventing a prolonged struggle and ensuring a swift kill. The eagle's grip is a testament to its strength and ferocity, a reminder that beneath its majestic exterior lies a wild hunter. The eagle's talons are also remarkably versatile tools. They are used not only for hunting but also for carrying prey, building nests, and defending territory. The eagle's reliance on its talons for survival is evident in their constant maintenance, meticulously cleaning and sharpening them to ensure their effectiveness. The bald eagle's talons are a marvel of evolutionary engineering, a testament to the power of natural selection in shaping organisms to thrive in their environments. They are a symbol of the eagle's predatory prowess, a reminder of the wildness that lies at the heart of this majestic creature. Section 5. Opportunistic Eater. While fish may be the mainstay of the bald eagle's diet, this majestic raptor is far from a picky eater. In fact, it is a highly opportunistic feeder, willing to exploit a wide range of food sources to satisfy its hunger. This adaptability is key to the eagle's survival, allowing it to thrive in a variety of habitats and weather conditions. When fish are scarce, the bald eagle will readily turn its attention to other aquatic prey such as turtles, snakes, and frogs. Its diet also includes a variety of birds, from ducks and geese to smaller songbirds, which it captures either in flight or by ambushing them on the ground. The bald eagle is also known to scavenge, feeding on carrion when the opportunity arises. This willingness to consume dead animals, often roadkill or animals that have succumbed to natural causes, provides a valuable source of food, particularly during lean times. This opportunistic feeding strategy, combined with its adaptability and resilience, has allowed the bald eagle to thrive across a wide range of habitats, from the Alaskan wilderness to the Florida Everglades. It is a testament to the eagle's ability to adapt and overcome challenges, a true survivor of the natural world. The bald eagle, with its powerful talons and sharp beak, is a highly skilled predator, and its diet reflects its mastery of the skies and waterways. While this majestic raptor is known to be an opportunistic feeder, fish undoubtedly reign supreme as its preferred prey. From the depths of pristine lakes to the rushing currents of rivers, the eagle's keen eyesight scans the water's surface, ever on the lookout for a telltale flash of scales or a ripple that betrays a fish's presence. Its diet includes a diverse array of fish species, each targeted with a calculated strategy based on size, behavior, and availability. Salmon, with their rich, fatty flesh, are a particularly prized catch, especially during their annual spawning runs when they crowd the rivers in vast numbers. Trout, too, are a favored target, their speckled patterns providing little camouflage against the eagle's exceptional vision. The eagle's fishing technique is a testament to its patience and precision. It will often circle high above the water, carefully surveying the scene below, before swooping down with breathtaking speed and accuracy. Its talons, armed with razor-sharp claws, pierce the water's surface, closing around its prey with a vice-like grip. The eagle then lifts its catch, often a substantial weight, and carries it to a nearby perch to enjoy its meal. This reliance on fish as a primary food source has shaped the bald eagle's evolution, influencing everything from its physical adaptations to its nesting habits. Its powerful talons, perfectly designed for snatching fish from the water, are a testament to the importance of this dietary staple. While fish may be the cornerstone of the bald eagle's diet, its culinary repertoire extends far beyond the water's edge. This adaptable predator is an opportunistic feeder, willing to exploit a wide range of food sources to sustain itself, especially during times when fish are scarce or when other opportunities present themselves. Its diet reflects the diversity of its habitat, encompassing prey from the air, land, and even the occasional carrion feast. Birds of various sizes and species find themselves on the eagle's menu, from ducks and geese to smaller songbirds. The eagle may employ different hunting strategies depending on the prey, sometimes ambushing them from a concealed perch, other times engaging in aerial chases that showcase its speed and agility. Ducks, often found congregating on lakes and ponds, are a particularly vulnerable target, their attempts at escape often futile against the eagle's relentless pursuit. On land, the eagle's diet includes a variety of mammals, particularly rodents such as squirrels, rabbits, and muskrats. Its sharp talons and powerful beak make quick work of dispatching these smaller prey, providing a nutritious meal to fuel its activities. The eagle's presence as a predator in these ecosystems plays a crucial role in regulating prey populations, contributing to the delicate balance of nature. This adaptability in its diet is a testament to the bald eagle's resilience and its ability to thrive in a variety of environments. It is a reminder that nature is a complex and interconnected web, where survival often depends on the ability to adapt to changing circumstances. The bald eagle, despite its majestic appearance and symbolic association with nobility, is not above resorting to a bit of thievery when the opportunity arises. This behavior, known as kleptoparasitism, involves stealing food from other predators, a testament to the eagle's opportunistic nature and its willingness to conserve energy whenever possible. The osprey, a smaller raptor known for its fishing prowess, is a frequent target of the bald eagle's kleptoparasitic tendencies. After an osprey has successfully captured a fish, often after a dramatic plunge into the water, the eagle will harass the smaller bird relentlessly, forcing it to relinquish its hard-earned meal. The eagle's larger size and more aggressive demeanor usually ensure a successful heist, leaving the osprey to start its fishing expedition anew. This behavior, while seemingly unfair, is a natural part of the ecosystem's dynamics. The bald eagle, as an apex predator, has earned its place at the top of the food chain, and its kleptoparasitic tendencies are a reflection of the constant competition for resources in the wild. The osprey, though outmatched in size and strength, benefits from its agility and specialized fishing skills, ensuring its continued survival despite the occasional loss to a more dominant predator. This interplay between predator and prey, thief and victim, highlights the intricate balance that governs the natural world, where survival often depends on a combination of skill, opportunity, and a bit of luck. Adaptability, the key to survival. The bald eagle's dietary flexibility is a testament to its adaptability, a key factor in its survival across a wide range of habitats and environmental conditions. This ability to exploit a variety of food sources has allowed it to thrive in ecosystems as diverse as the Alaskan wilderness, the Florida Everglades, and the Canadian Rockies. Unlike more specialized predators, the eagle's varied diet provides a buffer against fluctuations in prey populations and enables it to withstand environmental changes that might prove detrimental to less adaptable species. During harsh winters, when lakes and rivers freeze over, limiting access to fish, the eagle readily shifts its focus to terrestrial prey or carrion. Its willingness to scavenge, often feeding on the remains of animals that have succumbed to the cold or other natural causes, ensures a steady supply of sustenance even during the leanest months. This adaptability is particularly crucial in northern latitudes where seasonal changes can dramatically impact prey availability. The eagle's opportunistic nature extends beyond its diet, influencing its nesting habits as well. While it prefers to build its massive nests in tall trees often overlooking waterways, it will readily adapt to nesting on cliffs, in snags, or even on the ground if necessary. This flexibility allows the eagle to establish territories and raise its young in a variety of habitats, further contributing to its success as a species. The bald eagle's adaptability, evident in its diet, nesting habits, and overall resilience, is a testament to its evolutionary success. It is a reminder that the ability to adapt to changing circumstances is essential for survival in the ever-evolving tapestry of life. The bald eagle, a symbol of strength and freedom, is also a poignant reminder of the cyclical nature of life and death that governs all living things. Its role as an apex predator, while often perceived as a position of power and dominance, is intricately linked to the delicate balance of the ecosystems it inhabits. Its very survival depends on the continued existence of its prey, a delicate dance between predator and prey that has shaped the natural world for millennia. The eagle's hunting prowess, its sharp talons and beak, are instruments of death, but they are also instruments of life. By controlling prey populations, the eagle helps to maintain the health and diversity of its ecosystem. Its presence, while a threat to individual animals, ensures the long-term survival of countless other species. And just as the eagle takes life to sustain itself, it too will eventually succumb to the inevitable cycle of nature. Its remains, whether claimed by scavengers or returning to the earth through decomposition, will nourish other organisms, completing the circle of life and death that binds all living things. The bald eagle, in its majestic flight and its predatory nature, embodies both the beauty and the brutality of the natural world. It is a reminder that life and death are inextricably intertwined, a delicate balance that sustains the intricate web of life on Earth. The bald eagle, a symbol of freedom and independence, may seem an unlikely candidate for a life defined by monogamy. Yet these majestic raptors, once they choose a mate, typically remain paired for life, their bond a testament to the enduring power of companionship in the wild. This lifelong commitment is a crucial aspect of the eagle's life cycle, providing a stable foundation for raising their young and ensuring the continuation of their genetic legacy. The courtship rituals of bald eagles are a spectacle of aerial acrobatics and tender moments. Pairs will engage in elaborate flight displays, soaring, diving, and even locking talons before cartwheeling through the air in a dizzying descent. These displays, a combination of strength and grace, serve to strengthen the bond between the pair and reaffirm their commitment to one another. Once paired, the eagles will often establish a territory, a domain they fiercely defend from rivals. This territory provides the resources necessary for their survival, including suitable nesting sites, hunting grounds, and a sense of security for raising their young. The defense of this territory is a joint effort, with both members of the pair actively patrolling their boundaries and repelling intruders. The lifelong bond between bald eagle pairs is a testament to the importance of cooperation and shared responsibility in the wild. It is a reminder that even the most independent creatures benefit from the support and companionship of a lifelong partner. The bald eagle's commitment to its mate extends beyond courtship and territorial defense. It is most profoundly expressed in the construction and maintenance of their nest. These nests, massive structures of sticks, branches, and other materials, are a testament to the eagle's dedication to family and its remarkable engineering skills. These nests, often reused and expanded upon year after year, become towering symbols of the eagle's enduring presence in the landscape. The construction of a bald eagle nest is a collaborative effort, with both members of the pair contributing to the task. The eagles will meticulously select sturdy branches and twigs, often transporting them from considerable distances to their chosen nesting site. The nests are typically built in the tallest trees available, offering a commanding view of the surrounding territory and providing a safe haven from predators. Over time, these nests can grow to enormous proportions, some reaching over 10 feet in diameter and weighing over a ton. The interior of the nest is lined with softer materials such as grasses, moss, and feathers, creating a comfortable and insulated chamber for the eggs and chicks. The construction and maintenance of these nests is a testament to the eagle's strength, ingenuity, and unwavering dedication to its offspring. These nests are not merely temporary shelters, they are legacies passed down through generations, a testament to the eagle's enduring presence in the landscape. The sight of a bald eagle's nest perched high above the ground is a reminder of the power of nature and the enduring bonds of family. The arrival of spring heralds a time of renewal and rebirth in the natural world, and for the bald eagle, it marks the beginning of the nesting season. The female, her body prepared for the demands of motherhood, will typically lay 1 to 3 eggs, each a pale greenish blue and slightly larger than a chicken egg. These eggs, precious vessels of life, are carefully incubated by both parents, their body heat providing the warmth necessary for the developing embryos within. For approximately 35 days, the parents will take turns incubating the eggs, diligently protecting them from predators and the elements. The incubating parent will carefully turn the egg several times a day, ensuring that the heat is evenly distributed and that the developing embryos are not subjected to prolonged pressure against the shell. This meticulous care is crucial for the survival of the eggs, as even slight variations in temperature or humidity can prove fatal. The incubation period is a time of anticipation and vulnerability for the eagle pair. They must remain vigilant against potential threats, such as raccoons, crows, and even other eagles, which may attempt to raid the nest for eggs or chicks. The parents will fiercely defend their nest, their sharp talons and beaks formidable weapons against any intruder foolish enough to venture too close. The incubation period is a testament to the eagle's patience and dedication to its offspring. It is a time of quiet anticipation, as the parents patiently await the arrival of their young and the continuation of their genetic lineage. The hatching of the eagle chicks, typically asynchronous with the oldest chick hatching first, marks the beginning of a period of intense parental care and a steep learning curve for the newly hatched eaglets. Blind and covered in downy feathers, the chicks are entirely dependent on their parents for warmth, food, and protection. The parents, their instincts finely tuned to the needs of their offspring, will tirelessly tend to their every need, ensuring their survival during these vulnerable first weeks of life. The eagle parents share the responsibility of feeding their young, tearing small pieces of food, often fish or small mammals, and carefully placing them in the chicks' gaping beaks. As the chicks grow larger and stronger, their appetites increase, and the parents must hunt almost constantly to keep up with the demands of their growing brood. The nest becomes a scene of constant activity, with the chicks vying for their parents' attention, and the adults working tirelessly to satisfy their hunger. Beyond providing sustenance, the eagle parents also play a crucial role in teaching their young essential life skills. As the chicks grow older and their feathers develop, the parents will encourage them to exercise their wings, flapping vigorously within the confines of the nest. These exercises, while appearing playful, are crucial for strengthening the chicks' muscles and preparing them for their eventual flight. The eagle nest, a microcosm of life and learning, is a testament to the power of instinct and the enduring bonds of family. It is a place of nurturing, growth, and preparation, where young eagles acquire the skills and knowledge they will need to survive and thrive in the wild. As the weeks turn into months, the young eagles undergo a remarkable transformation, their bodies growing stronger, their feathers developing into the distinctive plumage of their species. The once helpless chicks, now nearly the size of their parents, begin to test their wings with increasing confidence, flapping vigorously and hopping from branch to branch within the nest. The nest, once a cradle of safety and security, now feels increasingly restrictive, as the young eagles yearn to experience the freedom of the open sky. The eagle parents, ever vigilant, recognize these signs of readiness and begin to encourage their young to take their first flight. They will perch on nearby branches, calling out to their offspring, enticing them to follow. The young eagles, their instincts urging them onward, will watch their parents soar through the air, their own wings itching to emulate those graceful movements. The first flight is a momentous occasion, a culmination of weeks of preparation and a leap of faith into the unknown. The young eagle, with a mix of trepidation and excitement, will launch itself into the air, its wings beating furiously as it struggles to gain altitude. The parents will circle nearby, offering encouragement and guidance, their presence a reassuring beacon as the young eagle navigates the unfamiliar currents of the air. This first flight marks a turning point in the young eagle's life, a transition from dependence to independence. It is a testament to the power of instinct, the guidance of parents, and the enduring allure of the open sky. The bald eagle, a symbol of strength and resilience, a creature seemingly untouched by the passage of time, found itself facing a threat unlike any it had encountered before. A shadow, silent and insidious, began to fall over its domain, casting a pall over its future. This threat did not come from a rival predator or a natural disaster. It emerged from the very civilization that had embraced the eagle as its emblem, a testament to the unintended consequences of human progress. The 20th century, an era of unprecedented technological advancement and industrial growth, brought with it a host of new challenges for the natural world. The bald eagle, once a common sight soaring above rivers and forests across North America, found its population dwindling at an alarming rate. The very things that defined human progress, agriculture, industry, and the pursuit of convenience, were conspiring to push this majestic creature towards the brink. The widespread use of pesticides, particularly DDT, a seemingly miraculous chemical that promised to control insect populations and boost agricultural yields, proved to be a devastating blow to the eagle population. This toxic substance, while seemingly harmless to humans, accumulated in the food chain, reaching lethal concentrations in top predators like the bald eagle. The effects of DDT on the eagle population were nothing short of catastrophic. The chemical interfered with the eagle's ability to produce strong eggshells, resulting in eggs so thin and fragile that they often cracked under the weight of the incubating parent. Nests, once filled with the promise of new life, became repositories of heartbreak as clutches of eggs failed to hatch, their potential extinguished before it could be realized. The alarm bells were first sounded by Rachel Carson, a marine biologist and writer, whose groundbreaking book, Silent Spring, exposed the devastating impact of pesticides on the environment and wildlife. Published in 1962, the book ignited a firestorm of controversy, challenging the prevailing wisdom of the time, which viewed pesticides as essential tools for agricultural progress and human well-being. Carson's meticulous research and passionate prose revealed the hidden costs of pesticide use, documenting the decline of bird populations, the contamination of water sources, and the potential risks to human health. She argued that the indiscriminate use of these chemicals was not only decimating wildlife but also disrupting the delicate balance of nature, with potentially dire consequences for all living things. Silent Spring became a rallying cry for a growing environmental movement, galvanizing public opinion and prompting policymakers to reconsider the widespread use of pesticides. The book's impact extended far beyond the scientific community, reaching a wide audience and sparking a national conversation about the responsibility of humans towards the natural world. Carson's work, a testament to the power of scientific inquiry and the courage to speak truth to power, laid the groundwork for the environmental movement that gained momentum in the decades that followed. Her legacy continues to inspire generations of scientists, activists, and policymakers who are working to protect the planet and its inhabitants. The bald eagle, its population decimated by DDT and other threats, found itself teetering on the precipice of extinction. The very symbol of American strength and resilience had become a poignant reminder of the fragility of nature and the devastating consequences of human actions. By the 1960s, the eagle's plight had become a national tragedy, its once familiar presence in the skies above North America reduced to a haunting absence. The eagle's decline was particularly alarming in the contiguous United States, where its numbers had plummeted to an estimated 417 nesting pairs by the early 1960s. The situation was dire, and the future of this iconic species hung precariously in the balance. The eagle's plight became a symbol of a growing environmental crisis, a wake-up call to a nation grappling with the consequences of its own prosperity. The eagle's decline was not solely attributed to DDT. Habitat loss due to deforestation, urbanization, and the conversion of wildlands to agriculture also played a significant role. As human populations expanded and development encroached upon the eagle's natural habitat, suitable nesting sites and hunting grounds became increasingly scarce. The eagle's plight resonated deeply with the American public, sparking a wave of concern and a renewed determination to protect this national icon from disappearing altogether. Conservationists, scientists, and concerned citizens rallied together, demanding action to reverse the eagle's decline and restore its place in the wild. The bald eagle's plight, a stark symbol of the environmental crisis gripping the nation, ignited a groundswell of public support for conservation efforts. The eagle, once a symbol of American strength and freedom, had become a rallying cry for a growing environmental movement. Its image emblazoned on posters, banners, and petitions demanding action to protect this national treasure. The movement to save the bald eagle gained momentum in the 1960s and 1970s, coinciding with a broader awakening to the environmental challenges facing the planet. The publication of Rachel Carson's Silent Spring had exposed the devastating impact of pesticides on wildlife, and the eagle's plight served as a stark reminder of the interconnectedness of all living things. In 1972, the Environmental Protection Agency, EPA, banned the use of DDT in the United States, a landmark decision that marked a turning point in the fight to save the bald eagle. The ban, a testament to the power of public advocacy and scientific evidence, removed a major threat to the eagle's survival and paved the way for its remarkable recovery. The ban on DDT was just the beginning. Concerted conservation efforts, spearheaded by government agencies, conservation organizations, and dedicated individuals, focused on protecting nesting sites, restoring habitat, and raising awareness about the eagle's plight. These efforts, a testament to the power of collective action, provided a lifeline for the struggling eagle population. The bald eagle's recovery, a testament to the power of conservation and the resilience of nature, is a story of hope and inspiration. The eagle, once on the brink of extinction, has made a remarkable comeback, its population soaring to levels unimaginable just a few decades ago. Its return to the skies above North America is a testament to the human capacity to recognize past mistakes and take action to restore the balance of nature. The eagle's recovery is a testament to the effectiveness of the Endangered Species Act, a landmark piece of legislation passed in 1973 that provides a safety net for species on the brink of extinction. The bald eagle was one of the first species to benefit from the protections afforded by this act, and its recovery serves as a powerful example of the law's success. Today, the bald eagle population in the contiguous United States is estimated to be over 300,000 individuals, a remarkable turnaround from the dire situation just a few decades ago. The eagle has been removed from the endangered species list, a testament to the success of conservation efforts and a cause for celebration. The eagle's return is not merely a triumph for conservation, it is a cultural phenomenon. The eagle, once a symbol of a nation grappling with its environmental legacy, has reclaimed its place as a symbol of hope, resilience, and the enduring power of nature. Its soaring flight, a familiar sight across the continent, serves as a constant reminder of the importance of protecting our planet and its inhabitants. The bald eagle's story is a testament to the power of collective action and the enduring bond between humans and the natural world. It is a reminder that even in the face of adversity, there is always hope for renewal, and that by working together, we can create a brighter future for all living things. The bald eagle's story is not just a tale of survival, it's a powerful parable of hope, a testament to the resilience of nature and the capacity for renewal even in the face of seemingly insurmountable odds. This majestic raptor, once brought to the brink of vanishing from the skies, now soars as a potent symbol of conservation's triumph, a beacon illuminating the path toward a more harmonious relationship with the natural world. Its resurgence offers a resounding message of optimism, demonstrating that dedicated efforts to right past wrongs can indeed yield extraordinary results. The eagle's comeback story serves as a potent reminder that even amidst the daunting environmental challenges of our time, hope is not lost. It underscores the remarkable ability of ecosystems to heal, of species to rebound when given the chance. This realization kindles a spark of optimism, urging us to embrace our responsibility as stewards of the planet and to champion the preservation of biodiversity for generations to come. The eagle's presence in our midst, no longer a rarity but a hearteningly frequent sight, serves as a continuous source of inspiration. Its soaring flight, a graceful dance against the canvas of the sky, embodies the spirit of resilience, reminding us that even in the darkest of times the potential for renewal persists. This enduring symbol of strength reminds us that setbacks, however daunting, need not dictate the future. The bald eagle's legacy is one of hope, a legacy that transcends national borders and speaks to the shared yearning for a healthier, more vibrant planet. Its story ignites a spark of optimism, reminding us that dedicated action, grounded in science and fueled by compassion, can indeed change the course of history and usher in a brighter future for all. The bald eagle, with its piercing gaze and commanding presence, has long held a revered place in the hearts and minds of people across the globe. Its image, a symbol of power, freedom, and wisdom, adorns national emblems, currency, and countless works of art, reflecting a deep-seated human fascination with this majestic raptor. Its soaring flight, a testament to the beauty and grace of the natural world, evokes a sense of awe and wonder, reminding us of the boundless possibilities that exist beyond the confines of our daily lives. As apex predators, bald eagles play a crucial role in maintaining the delicate balance of the ecosystems they inhabit. Their presence, though sometimes perceived as a threat to individual prey animals, is essential for regulating populations and ensuring the overall health and diversity of the food web. Their role as guardians of the skies extends beyond their predatory nature, as their nesting habits and territoriality influence the distribution and abundance of other species within their domain. The bald eagle's presence in our skies is a testament to the interconnectedness of all living things, a reminder that we are part of a complex web of life that depends on the well-being of all its members. Their soaring flight, a symbol of freedom and wildness, serves as a constant reminder of the importance of preserving natural spaces and protecting the biodiversity that sustains us all. Their continued presence, a testament to the power of conservation and the resilience of nature, offers a beacon of hope for the future. As we face the unprecedented environmental challenges of the 21st century, the bald eagle's story serves as a powerful reminder that we have the capacity to make a difference, to restore balance to our relationship with the natural world, and to ensure that future generations inherit a planet where both eagles and humans can thrive. The bald eagle's inspiring journey from the brink of extinction to a celebrated symbol of conservation is a testament to the power of collective action and a compelling call to action for our time. Its story reminds us that we are not merely passive observers in the drama of life on Earth, but rather active participants with the capacity to shape the course of events and influence the fate of our planet and its inhabitants. The challenges facing the natural world today are many and complex, from climate change and habitat loss to pollution and the unsustainable exploitation of natural resources. Yet, the bald eagle's story offers a resounding message of hope, reminding us that even amidst these daunting challenges, our actions matter. Each individual has a role to play, a contribution to make, in safeguarding the future of life on Earth. Supporting conservation organizations dedicated to protecting wildlife and their habitats is a tangible step towards making a difference. By contributing our time, talents, or financial resources, we can empower these organizations to continue their vital work of preserving biodiversity, restoring ecosystems, and advocating for policies that protect the natural world. Educating ourselves and others about the interconnectedness of all living things and the importance of biodiversity is paramount. By sharing our knowledge, engaging in meaningful dialogue, and promoting sustainable practices in our own lives, we can inspire change at a grassroots level, fostering a greater appreciation for the natural world and a commitment to its preservation. The bald eagle's story is a call to action, a summons to embrace our roles as stewards of the planet and to work tirelessly towards a future where both nature and humanity can flourish. Let us heed this call with courage, determination, and unwavering hope, knowing that together we can make a difference.